So without any further delay, let's get back into the news. We have our Agya informer Ashwarya.
Hello, hi, and welcome to Adya News. I'm Ashwarya, your in-house informer of Adya this week. Without much ado, let's get back to the news. Reopening of colleges with hybrid classes are bang on. Yesterday's NSIC program was enthusiastic as we as young generation has got inspired how to become an entrepreneur, advantages and many more. It was sponsored and composed by Young Next. They've really done their work towards inspiring our generation about self-dependency, self-employment. We really got inspired. Thank you, NSIC program. Next, S. Vaishnavi of MEC second year Inter has got Lawrence to Adya College as he's been selected as the first runner-up in Miss South India 2021 competition conducted by Wings Model Hub. And last but not the least, let's talk about Adya and Ghat. It is available at your store, at your cell phones. It is a great deal to make with us. Join your hands with us, and we've got many benefits shared in the website. You can go check out our channel for more information as we provide best quality goods in the best price. Thank you.
Thank you, Ashwarya. So we have Lokesh to share about political news.
Hey guys, my name is Lokesh Verma. Today I am going to read the political news. Telangana High Court bans the plaster of Paris Ganesh idols in the immersion of Hussain Sagar. Priyanka Gandhi to be in the Lucknow next week to finalize the Yatra program. Congress launches the second phase training to make the ready workers ready battle for the mission of UP. And also Congress breaks the yet another alliance for the election defeat. BJP battles the infighting Gujarat cabinet, oath deferred.
Thank you, Lokesh. That was so informative. Now we have Dheeraj to share about business news.
Hello guys, my name is Dheeraj. Today I will tell you about business news. Tata Sons SpiceJet promoter Ajay Singh submit final bids to acquire Air India. Tata Capital introduces digital loans against mutual funds. Malabar Group is ready to invest 750 crores in Telangana in gold refinery and produces 2,500 jobs in Telangana. Sensex Nifty hits a new peak as telecom auto shares rises. Petrol diesel prices remains unchanged. Bank of India customers can avail benefits of worth of 1 crore for free. SBI announces that home loans are now available at 6.70% at irrespective of amount.
Thank you, Dheeraj. Now we have Sangeeta to share about weather conditions.
Hey guys, I am Sangeeta. Today I would like to inform you all about weather in Telangana. Today weather report as follows. In the Secunderabad, the forecast will be the partly cloudy and 26 degrees Celsius, and tomorrow will be the forecast will be on the 30 degrees Celsius and being partly cloudy at the Sunday of the 30 degrees Celsius and scattered with to the storms. Thank you.
Thank you, Sangeeta. We have Naman to share about sports news.
Hi, my name is Namant. I am being your sports news reporter for this week. So let's get started. Michael Holding announces retirement from cricket commentary. Virat Kohli to step down as India T20 captain after T20 World Cup. And IPL restarting from 19th September 2021. England push France out of top 3 in FIFA men's rankings. Lionel Messi gets first PSG start against Club Brugge. Lionel Messi's Paris St. Germain disappointing Brugge draw. So this was our sports news. Thank you.
Thank you, Naman. A news without entertainment is incomplete. Now we have Saida Hira for entertainment news.
Hello everyone, my name is Saida Hirakanan. Today I will be your entertainment news reader. After Kareena Kapoor, Aamir Khan wraps up Lala Singh Chadda shoot in Mumbai. Shilpa takes a horse ride to Vishnu Mata temple with Akansha. Maestro movie review. Nitin's remark says true to Andhadhun. Filambaras to announce his 48th film on September 18th. Salman Khan says, "How nice you look, beta." Praises nice Aliza for new ad. Annabella Setupati movie review. Taapsee Vijay's Setupati films is not funny. Shruti Hassan's sister Akshara and Rana come together for new project. Thank you.
Thank you, Saida Hira. Not only about national news, we all are waiting for international news. So we have Karishma to share about international news.
Hello everyone, I am Karishma Bish and here I am to present you the international news. Nations pledge $1 billion in aid for Afghanistan as UN warns of collapse. Google issues emergency security update to close a spyware flow. Billionaire cancer survivor, SpaceX said for all civilian crews. Google illegally underpaid temporary staff in at least 16 countries, says report. Pak Taliban bomber blow himself up in Balochistan, 4 security personnel killed. Beijing court dismisses 3-year-old China #MeToo case. Iran resumes commercial flights to Afghanistan. South and North Korea conducts missile test as arms race heats up. Pakistan can't accept more Afghan refugees, says NSA. Unvaccinated French healthcare workers face suspension. Uber's chief technical officer to step down. Singapore Parliament rejects opposition proposal on employment under Free Trade Pact with India. Taiwan holds anti-invasion drill as China's threat heightens. Sri Lankan minister quit after threatening prisoners at gunpoint. Thank you.
Thank you, Karishma. That was so informative. That's all for today's news. Our